at the back of my fish house, I added 2 new holes by the bay window. This video is showing tapping into the 12-volt outlet below the bunk and adding lighting above, and then hole lights and 12-volt outlets above the holes. In order to do that, I drilled a small hole through the stud just opposite this 12-volt outlet. Then I ran a wire through there. I fished it with baling wire. Here's baling wire. You can see it. And then I fished it through, and then I went up behind where that trim piece was taken off, and then across the back. I've got it stapled back there, across the back of where the bunk is. And then I drilled a hole in this 2x6, and then it goes to where I put the light in. If I turn my camera around, you can see where the wire is stapled on the back. And these lights provide a lot of light to the area. Then for the hole lights and the 12-volt outlets, I'm running another wire down this time. It's going to go across. I drilled a hole straight down through that stud, and then I fished wires down for the hole light and the outlet, and then I brought a wire back up and across, drilled another hole, and then I cut out for a hole light. Here's my hole light. And I cut out for an outlet. Here's my outlet. So these will get screwed in, and then I have to attach the ones over there. And then what I did, in order to hide this wiring, I took the trim piece, and on a table saw, I just went about halfway, and I scored it just far enough over so that it can cover up this wire here. So those will be hidden all the way across by the trim piece. And then on the vertical trim piece, I had to notch the bottom and also on the side where it comes away from that stud on top. To do the hole light, what I did is I cut with a 2 1/4 inch DeWalt hole saw, and then for the notch, I just notched with a box cutter and just chipped that out of there. That chipped out real easy. I made it up toward the top of the wood piece so that it would break out of there really easy. All the parts that I used are here. I'm using orange wire nuts. I'm using little black staples. The clips for the 12-volt outlet. Need a few of these connectors. The wire splice connectors were for where I tapped in at the existing outlet. So this is the second time I've done this. I did this at my last fish house and was real happy with the results. If you have any questions, you can call me. Look me up on Clancy'sOutdoors.com.